morning, everyone. My face is getting a little bit, oh, the garbage is there. My face is getting a little bit better. I still have like a little bit of a scab here, but other than that, my face is getting a little bit better. So I just did a mask. Today, I'm just going to be spending the whole day editing, and then I might go to Ottawa tonight. I don't know, because the stores close early on the weekend, which sucks. So I might just go during the week or go tomorrow. I'm not sure because I want to go to Nordstrom. They have Nordstrom there. They don't have it here. I'm making breakfast. Still cut oats. These, I've been really liking it with honey and cinnamon and a little dash of vanilla. So they're just cooking up now. I'll show you. They're just cooking up now. They take around 5 minutes. So it's almost been, I think, like 2 minutes. I add some cinnamon. And my favorite honey I showed you guys in my Costco haul is this one, the creamed honey, the organic creamed honey. It's so much better than regular honey. So there you go. My mom got Tim Hortons donuts and just look at that. Imagine. This one I think is maple chocolate. This is apple cinnamon. That's my favorite. Oh, they're so good. So this is what I'm having with 2 pieces of turkey bacon. It's gonna be delish. And oh my god, you guys are the best. I asked you guys on Instagram what show I should watch next, and a lot of you recommended Riverdale, and I'm so obsessed. I'm on the 2nd season. I think, no, I'm not even on the 2nd season yet, but I'm so obsessed with it. You guys are. I'm at Chapters, and I wanted, look at all the swatches on my hands, but I wanted to read this, so let me know if you guys think it's good. Apparently this is also good. But I heard this is really good. #1 international bestseller. But I don't really have time to sit down and read a book. I started posting vlogs every Friday. I just had a meeting with my accountant because, you know, tax season is... I think for the US, tax season is done. Like, I think you have to, give in your taxes. But for me, Canadians, tax season is until April 30th. I don't know why I was vlogging into the bathroom mirror, probably because this mirror is gigantic. But I have a few things left to do today. Look how beautiful these new Virgin Mary pendants are. They just restocked on CNC. This outfit, I'm wearing an army t-shirt. I'm wearing Lulu's for the first time. That's like a unflattering angle. I'm wearing the Vanish Stick foundation today. I'm so obsessed with it, but I have to go return something at Sephora. So I'm gonna go do that. I am returning the Marc Jacobs gloss. I'm just leaving the building now. I realized that when I vlog, I need to keep the camera up because it annoys me so much editing looking down. And it's so nice out today. It's like 15 degrees out today. It's so nice. There, I did it again. I need to remember to keep the camera up. Okay. So I know I've spoken about my upload schedule a few times. Ah! What the hell? I know I've spoken about my upload schedule a few times, but I'm uploading every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I thought about doing vlog Fridays where I would upload a vlog every Friday and then other videos on Monday and Wednesday. It's hard to vlog when you work at home because there's not much to do, and I'm always working, so it's not that interesting. Let me know if that's a good idea. If you like that, like I said, I'm returning this from Sephora. Comes with a lipstick, the gloss, which is beautiful, but I have 500 glosses. I don't need another. And a lipstick and a lip liner. The lip liner is too light for me, as you can see, a darker lip liner. And the lipstick's too pink, so I'm gonna return that. How cute is this thing that, oh, I don't even know if I have it. Oh yeah, but my card's not in here. Sephora gave me this little card holder, and my sister was like, I got samples, I got that, and my sister was like, I didn't get anything. She went to the Sephora in Laval, and she said the people, well, you guys don't know where that is, for people who don't live in Montreal, but there's the island I live on, then there's the island of Montreal, and then there's a few other islands around the island of Montreal, and one of them is called Laval. And she said the people working at Sephora in Laval were so mean. The people working at the Sephora near us are so sweet, except there's a few people that you can tell they're judging you. I may sound like a little bit of a snob, but when I go to Sephora, I take advice from the people who have the nicest makeup on their face. Is that bad? I'm the type of person who, if I see makeup, someone wearing makeup that I think is super beautiful, I'm the type of person to be oh my god, where did you get that? What's that? What's on your face? And then I'll be sitting there for an hour asking them every aspect about their face. For dinner, I have chicken thawing. Yesterday I made jerk chicken which is my favorite meal, I think. I honestly think jerk chicken is my favorite meal. Also, guys, I just want to say I nared my whole face today because Nicole Guerrero did it, and I also saw Chantel Jeffries do it. Like, I nared my entire face, and my face has literally never felt softer. I wouldn't recommend doing it often because obviously there's like a lot of chemicals. It feels so smooth. I think I want a KOJAX wrap because I'm obsessed with them. They're so good. Their chicken wraps are so good. Oh no. First things first, returning it. I'm not allowing myself to look at anything in the store, but I will. If there's anything noteworthy, I'll show you. The sun is so freaking hot. I'm not complaining because it's been winter for 500 months. I got, it's so good. It has chicken and the best sauce in the world. Trust me, get the KOJAX chicken wrap. You will not regret it. It's my favorite wrap. Crazy. I am on my way. It is Monday, and today is the day that I'm starting my workout, healthy eating. I tried intermittent fasting. I have to do some more research on that. I know Sam has some videos on it, so I'm gonna go watch those. I haven't really decided. Oh, you can see my bathroom. I've just felt very sluggish and not my best, so I'm gonna go work out. I'm working out in Allie's building today. She doesn't feel well, so I'm just gonna be working out alone. And I'm sorry, when I wake up, my whole face is so swollen, so my lips look extra big. I know some people like them, some people hate them. It's my face. I'm just saying that because sometimes I get comments about my lips, and it's like, it's not your face. You know what I mean? Like, I don't care what other people do to their face. Why do you care about what I do to my face? My face. Clearly, I like it if it's on my face. So just let me live my life, you know? I just got the gym card. Allie gave me her Huda Beauty foundation to try. I ordered it during the sale, but she gave it to me to try because I was like, mine's not coming today. And I really wanted to try it for you, but well, I wanted to try it. And then if it's good, I'll let you guys know. So I'm going to be doing, there's this girl on Instagram. She's like, I've known her like through friends for a while, and she makes workout guides, so she sent me a new one to try because I bought her old one, and I'm super excited because I haven't like actually worked out in a month. I'm at a store now called Rochelle Berry, and I'm picking up XCT oil, and I found this drink. It's like it's called the ginger soother, and it looks cool, so I'm probably going to buy that for now because the weekend was kind of like bad. So I'm gonna have, I don't really need anything else. The only thing in this is water, filtered water, honey, ginger juice, and lemon juice. So let's see how this tastes. Oh wow. That's really good. I went for dinner with a few friends on the weekend, and one of my friends later was like, Tony looks really good. She like gained weight, and she doesn't look like, he said she doesn't look anorexic anymore. And to me, I was like, I never looked anorexic, but he's basically saying, just telling me I gained weight. I don't know if he was just like trying to like warn me that I gained weight, or if he actually meant that he thought I looked better, but nonetheless, he said I gained weight. So I'm showing you what I actually wear most of the time. Something super casual and super comfortable. My phone's about to die, and to be honest, I'm literally just going to get Mexican food and picking it up. That's all I'm doing. I'm working from home today, but I wanted to show you my outfit because I always show you these like dressed up outfits, like, well, like when I put outfits together, but this is like what I wear on the daily. So these sunglasses are from Ray-Ban. I will link them down below. I don't know the exact name. This is just a really old gray t-shirt that I tied up. I really like tying my shirts recently. I don't know what it is, but I tie all my shirts. And then it's really hot outside today, but I did throw on a sweatshirt over my arms. I think that's just like such a cute way to wear a sweatshirt, and if you get cold, obviously you can zip it up. But this one's just from H&M, and I have it thrown over my arms. These leggings are from TNA. I have them rolled up, and these shoes were from my Just Fab haul. They are from Just Fab. You can get them for $14. So that is what my outfit is today. Something super casual. Maybe tomorrow will hopefully be a little bit more dressed up, but I'm just doing errands and sticking around the house, so I decided to go very casual and honest. So that's my outfit of the day. So it's almost 3 o'clock, and I'm going to pick up something to eat. Hi, Leo. I'm gonna pick up something to eat because I'm starving, haven't eaten anything. I just filmed all the clips for my Just Fab haul that's going up today. This huge salad, it looks so good, and that's where it is, Mucha Burrito. I love it. I'm wearing shorts today. It feels so good. Oh my god, my legs are like jiggling. Okay, so I think that doing these weekly vlogs are gonna make you realize that my life is pretty uneventful, and it is basically the same all the time. I'm always working, basically. So to the gym, I'm wearing these cycling shorts from Pretty Little Thing. I'm definitely gonna go on and order a few pairs. They're inexpensive and they're like the best quality. They don't pinch your fat in too much, and they go to the perfect length. So I'm gonna go see if they have other colors. I will link them down below. This top is just a top from Zara. I have rolled up. I have a New Balance sports bra on, and this is a sweater from H&M. I wanted to also give you an update on these. I wore them the other day, and I really like them. I pulled my leggings up so you can see a little bit of my ankle, and I thought they were really flattering, and I really like them. Those are growing on me because in my video I was like not sure how I would wear them. I'm gonna fill up my cup. I'm trying to drink 3 of these a day, like I said. Not going so well so far. I'm the type of person that just forgets that water even is on this earth during the day, so I don't drink enough water. The lighting in my bathroom is actually the worst thing ever. So I just finished doing my makeup and filming, so it's a little bit more extreme. You can't really tell in this god-awful lighting because on camera it gets like all washed out. So I did a little bit more extreme, and I said I didn't like the Huda Beauty foundation, but today I really like it. Like, it looks, I mixed it with oil and a little bit of like the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and it looked so good. It looks airbrushed, and it's definitely a filming foundation. Although it did kind of look like pretty natural. My eye makeup just was very extreme for me today. I'll tell you guys what I have in my hair. I do need a haircut, but I'll tell you guys what I have in it so far. So the first thing I put in it, I let it air dry maybe 50%. I put this Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. I need to put something that gives it texture, or else my hair is too soft and I can't do anything. So this is the first thing I put. Then I put this High Side Hair Oil. I love the smell of this. It smells like the Kim Kardashian Oud perfume. It's the Oud hair oil, so it's really good. And then I'm going to put 2 more things in my hair because I need to put product in my hair, or else I can't stand first day air. Actually, maybe I'll just put 1 more thing. And then, actually no, 2 more things. So the next thing I'm going to be putting is the Wave Spray. I like this because it gives my hair texture. And then I'm also going to be putting the Surf Foam Spray Blow Dry on my hair. This also gives a lot of texture. So 4 products on my hair before I start. I'm going to just spray a little bit of my Wave Spray on it. Not to give it waves, I hate when my hair is too soft. So I always need to put some of that in, especially when I'm curling my hair. When I'm straightening it, I don't really do all this. I kind of just put an oil on like the IGK. Then I'll go in and spray this on my hair. I absolutely love this stuff. It gives it so much texture and gives it a lot of hold, and it doesn't make it feel like first day hair. I'm actually going to add 1 more thing too. So I'm going to add this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. I added this in last time, and it was really nice. So it's just like a spray. It looks like it's going to be like a hairspray, but it's actually like a mister, and it's a leave-in mask, so it just makes it really smooth after adding all those texture things. I haven't used much of this Briogeo line. I feel like I'm getting samples left, right, and center of this line, but I haven't used it. But so far, that's really good. And this is the inch barrel. It's a smaller barrel, and I like this size because it gives me beachy waves. So there we go. What I do on the daily, I hate days where I wash my hair like I will literally wear my hair in a ponytail for 5 days, but because I'm filming today, I had to do it. I'm also going for dinner tonight at the restaurant called Morettis and I wrap it around and I leave the end, like I wrap my end out and then like leave it just so it gets like a touch of heat, and then I scrunch. But then once it comes down, I like kind of pull on it. So you get like that kind of curl. It's pretty fast because the curler is so hot, but I need it to be, or else I'd be here all day because the sections are smaller, it's a smaller wand. So that took a total of 8 minutes. I guess like it takes 2 minutes per section, which is not bad at all. And my hair is pretty curly, but you can see the ones underneath have already started to settle down. So I go in and I spray this more. Nolan gets mad at me anytime I use this on dry hair. Then I'm gonna go and flip my head over, run my fingers through it to make it all very beachy. Shake it out. And my hair, there we go. I still have a lot of work to do, but I forgot I have dinner plans tonight, so I have to go to that even though it's like raining and miserable out, and all I want to do is stay home and not do anything. I know I'm always talking about these chains, but they're so freaking sparkly. I already gave you an update on the Huda Beauty foundation. I really, really like it. I definitely put on a little bit more makeup than I usually would, simply because I was filming, and when you film, like everything gets washed out, but it looked really good. I was contemplating returning it, but I think it may have been my new Holy Grail foundation. I also used the Laura Mercier foundation concealer again, and I think it looked really good. I mixed it with a little bit of the NARS one. I'm sorry, I have my Invisalign in. I mixed it with a little bit of my NARS one, and it blended really well. I think the trick with that concealer is because it dries pretty fast. I did one eye at a time and it worked out well. That Huda Beauty foundation has held up so well throughout the day. It's definitely my new go-to filming foundation. Other than that, updates on what I got. Nothing really. I didn't really get anything else that I need to update you on. Oh, the Soft Glam palette. I used it today. I'm loving. It's literally me and a palette. Everything I got was pretty good. Who's at my door? Who's there? No one is there, boys. You're going crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, edit my video, and check in at dinner. I'll show you guys what I get. I'm going to Morettis. It's an Italian restaurant in Montreal. They have a truffle mac and cheese. I'm trying to be healthy, but truffle mac and cheese.